the Star Tarot card is all about faith and hope. Following the disruptive mess of the Tower, the star heralds the imminent end of difficulties. After divine wrath comes divine help. It's the lucky star one is supposed to follow towards better tomorrows. The person is naked on the picture to signify purification. They have literally been stripped of all impurity and delusions, thanks to the spiritual process of the previous cards. They've now reached the stage of spiritual rebirth, where they are more aligned with the divine than ever. The earthly self and celestial self are finally in harmony with each other. The star upright means good intuition and discernment. It's also a highly creative card, good for any artistic projects. You might, for example, discover a latent talent that you have had and redirect your life accordingly. If you are already involved in arts, things are going smoothly. In love, the star upright shows harmony, affection, and tenderness. For singles, luck is on their side to meet a fated soulmate that aligns not just with their personality, but possibly with their very soul. It's a good sign for positive chance encounters. The stars now align for your benefit. The star is also a friendship card, so it's a great omen to socialize. Get out there, mingle. You'll improve your social circle with like-minded people and possibly have opportunities to make more than friends. It's also a great omen to declare your love to someone who's just been a friend so far. At work or in business, it's a good omen for success or an invitation to find your life purpose, a meaningful one that will make your work more soul-fulfilling. It's a sign to no longer work just to pay bills, but to give more meaning to your life. It's great for humanitarian or esoteric projects. If other cards confirm, the star upright can simply mean dumb luck, just finding yourself in the right place at the right time for your life to take a positive turn. Maybe buy yourself a lottery ticket. In health, the star upright is a good sign of physical and psychological balance, good morale, positive recovery, and depending on the context and on other cards, it can sometimes announce pregnancy. In astrology, it is associated with Aquarius. Its timing is around February. Reversed, the star can mean loss of faith and hopelessness. The person may feel unlucky, as if they were abandoned or ignored by fortune. If they had hopes, they might be disappointed due to excessive idealism. It can also warn against being naive, making mistakes due to lack of experience or ignorance. The star reversed can also simply means bad luck, lack of fortune. The stars are just not aligned for you at the moment. You may be facing adversity, hostility, or obstacles in whatever you undertake, and feel discouraged as a result, in which case better wait for better times, or seek advice or help from more experienced and wiser people. You may have to delay making your dreams come true due to more pressing demands. At work, it can mean you need training or mentorship, or you may be stuck in a meaningless job that does not align with your life purpose because money is tight. Your social life may also be taking a toll, making you feel isolated. You yearn to find your soul tribe. Maybe you're just not in the right place and need to move to start afresh. In love, the star reversed can mean being friend-zoned, maybe more than once. If you're into a friend, it's not a good idea to declare yourself. Sometimes it means you or your partners rationalize emotions too much, which tends to ruin your love life. Don't be too cerebral when it comes to feelings. Sometimes It means you are not in tune with your spirit guides, or your own intuition is blocked, making you doubt yourself and everything around you. Do not lose faith. This too shall pass. You may need to face a few more inner demons before your glorious rebirth. Fatality is real but temporary. The universe responds to resonance. So one of the problems may be your own lack of faith and hopelessness. Past traumas do not have to repeat. So try to find faith in something and you'll attract better energies. Keep hope alive. In health, the star reversed can mean depression, emotional imbalance, stress, and depending on the context, fertility issues.